What's up, rugby people? Today we're going to do 4 variations on the standard beep test. You'll notice that when we go through these, they're a little bit more functional than just running back and forward. We're going to throw in a couple of things that are actually going to give you a bit of a taste of what it's like to actually play rugby at the same time. What you notice here is that when we've set up our beep test, we've got cones on the try line 10, 20 and 30 metres out. The reason we're going to do that is we're going to actually have a reversal in here as well, rather than just a simple 20 and 20 back and forth. I'll show you what those all look like now. Firstly, let's start with a standard beep test. You set up your shuttles, or a shuttle run. We're going to go out 20, turn around, come back 20. Here's level 1. There you are. That's what level 1 on a standard beep test should look like. Our first variation on the standard beep test is going to be what's called a reversal. For this, we're going to set up our cones again at 10, 20 and 30 metres. And this time, instead of doing a 20 and a 20, we're going to go 20 out, stay facing the same direction and come back 10. So we're backing up 10 metres. Okay? Then from there, we're going to go out another 20 to the last cone and turn around. And then on the way back, we'll do again a 20, 10 on reverse, 20 forwards. Okay? Here's what it should look like. There you are, there's your first variation, the reversal. Second variation, moving on. One of the other things we have to do rather than going backwards in rugby, we actually have to practice getting on the ground and getting up again. So the second variation that we're going to do is a simple down up. We're going to go out 20 metres, turn around, get on the ground, stand up, run back. Here's what it should look like. Ready, go. That's level 1 with a down up. All right, variation 3. This combines both of the things we've just done. We're going to practice our reversing. We're going to practice getting down on the ground and getting back up again. All right, here we go. So we're going to run our 20-meter shuttle get down, get up, back up 10, get down, get up, out to the 30, down and up, and all the way back again. Here's how it looks. Ready, go. There's your variation 3, a down up and a reversal all at the same time. That's what level 1 should look like. Gets a lot harder from there. So those are, again, some beep test variations to try and do when you're trying to develop your rugby fitness. Thanks.